Hey guys, welcome back to Daily Vlog 124, and today we're going to be installing Windows 10 back onto the Windows 11 hard drive that I have already put into the system, and I've already loaded up like the thing we use to install Windows and stuff. So we're going to wipe the hard drive off Windows 11, and then we're going to install Windows 10 back on here for a future video, which you guys would have already seen by the time this video comes out. It's the Windows 11 3 installation method video, so the 3 ways of installing Windows 11. So yeah, we're gonna wipe this hard drive and install Windows 10 back on here, just so Windows 11 don't have any problem installing, since it's probably installing from a developer preview to the final stage. So we're just gonna wipe the hard drive and install Windows 10 back on here. So let's just wait for Hiron Boot CD to load. Okay, it's loading now. Shouldn't take long. But it is loading from a flash drive, so will take some time, but yep, it's initializing there. So let's go straight into disk management. Right there. This i5 is actually quite fast as well, so we need to delete that EF5 partition, which it won't let me. We can delete that volume right there, and if we go into Aomi partition assistant, should let us delete the other partition as well. So if we click here, then we can do delete partition. Okay. And if we go here, and we can also do another delete partition. And yes. Proceed. Yes. So it's wiped our drive for us. If we go back into disk management, ISK disk management should there. So that's where like unallocated spaces, and that's where we're going to install Windows. So what I'm going to do is shut the computer down and put into the flash drive one more time and press F12. So I'm just gonna press F12 to get into the boot menu. Okay, UEFI SanDisk. And that's where I'm gonna select Windows 10 right there. And it's asking us if we want to do 64-bit or 32-bit. We want to do 64 because our system is 64-bit. But not sure what this system, the Toshiba system right here is. I don't know if it's 32-bit or 64-bit, but I did install 64-bit copies of Windows on it. It's running 64-bit copy of Windows 10. So let's click next and install now. After we start the setup and everything, I'm just going to put you guys into a time lapse, and then when this is done, we can set up Windows 10, and well, in another video we can do install Windows 11, which you guys would have already seen that video by the time this video comes out, obviously. So it's already done copying Windows files and everything, which this computer is really good at. And now I'm going to put you guys into a time lapse. Hey guys, Windows is done setting itself up. It's just saying just a moment for like the screen where you actually get to set it up. which most home users like who buy a new computer would be familiar with. So I'm just gonna set it up now, and I'll probably put you guys into another time lapse of me setting it up, but yeah. So yeah, see you then when I've got it set up, or when I'm setting it up, if I decide to put you guys into another time lapse. So yeah. Hey guys, so Windows 10 just finished setting up itself. It's searching for the display driver, obviously, but it obviously got the display driver correct. But one thing I do want to check is that under Task Manager, will the GPU show up? Since all my other installations of Windows, the GPU doesn't show up at all. Yep, the GPU doesn't show up, so this has no GPU. Essentially, that's what it's saying, but there is a GPU, it just needs the GPU drivers, so that's what we will do. And now I'm going to shut off the machine and end this video.